Hello friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Thanks for coming back. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our family. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. Also check out some of our older videos. You're sure to find something that you love. But in today's video, let's talk about California chic. Now, this California chic style is also known as California casual, California cool, or just California style. So many different names for it, all basically the same definition, to be honest. So it's a decorating style that really emphasizes neutral, soft colors on furniture and walls. It also emphasizes furnishings that are inviting and comfortable. It's like a relaxed bohemian feel enhanced by natural materials and fabrics, so like leather, wood, wool, cotton, stone. All of these different elements make up the California chic style. Now, California is just synonymous with style. Whether you love it or hate it, there's really no getting around that fact. A good number of the decor and the fashion trends that we see walking around our cities today actually started out on the West Coast, and it's no surprise why the Golden State maintains the golden standard for living beautifully. So I think that may be one of the reasons why California chic decor style has really emerged as a popular aesthetic, and it's going outside of California. Now you have homes in Texas and Oklahoma and North Dakota that are just embracing this style because it invokes such a sense of openness and relaxation with light and bright hues. So now that we have talked about the style, let's talk about how you can incorporate this beautiful style in your home. So the first thing that I think of when I think of California chic is worn leather. Age-worn leather works perfectly in these laid-back spaces because it just exudes a touch of strength and offbeat beauty. So whether it's a small side chair, a cozy lounge chair, or a full deal sofa, vintage pieces add warmth and wisdom to any room. Number 2, large-scale photography. So there's always something fresh and innovative about California style. But for a modern edge that breaks up some of the vintage pieces in the room, opt for a hyper-realistic painting or a really large piece of art, whether it's landscape, portrait, color, black and white pieces, even if it's something you take on your phone and take to the copy store and just have it blown up. Just something really big can add humor or drama to the room. Number 3, bohemian textiles. These pieces are a must. They inject a collected bohemian vibe into your California chic space. Also, don't be afraid to mix all the different types. The more, the merrier. I feel like I say that a lot on this channel. If you aren't sure where to find great pieces, dig around at flea markets or estate sales. They always have these great pieces that are really unexpected, and they don't have to be incredibly expensive as well. Just something that makes you feel good and makes your home feel like home. Number 4, layers and layers. So think about this. When the sun goes down in California, it gets really chilly. So dressing in layers is essential. And yes, you have to dress your home in layers as well. You can incorporate furry throws and sheepskin rugs, and it gives off this cozy, warm vibe in the evening, but the bright white color of your room will still keep things nice and airy. And also, I did say white because most of the California chic rooms we see are that bright white that infuses that light in your room. And number 5, mixed patterns. So for the most part, California is really casual and relaxed, or at least that's what they try to make us believe. But they also exude that mood through their interiors. So taking risk and keeping things playful is just part of the design scheme. You'll often notice rooms playing with different colors, different patterns, and different scales. I promise you, it's not scary at all to incorporate a variety of designs, colors, and prints by the way of throw pillows or bohemian textiles, floor poofs, graphic art, even your rugs. Starting out with smaller items makes it feel less permanent and will probably drive you less crazy until you get used to the look. Alright guys, as I do every video, I want you to take a moment, pretty please, let me know what your favorite room was down below, or just let me know if you would ever have this style, this California chic style in your home. I'm curious and I want to know all the details. Let me know down below. So as always, I have asked you to comment your favorite California chic room down below. If you want to know mine, it's this one. You guys, I am a sucker for an indoor-outdoor room. I'm in Oklahoma. That just doesn't really exist here. But I love this room, how you can flow from your living room to your outside seating area. Of course, it's gorgeous as well. Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!